If you are looking for best paid auto-tune plugin, then go for this. Your name is Gosa once again, and still the solution camera providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in Cubase now and we're going to look at one of the best paid auto-tune plugin. So first thing first, listen to this ad-lib without any effects. That's pretty simple. Next I'm going to add reverb, create add effects, use the Valhalla vintage verb, simple like that. Cut off some of the low ends, reduce the decay a little bit. Alright, now let's send this to our ad lib. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here, give the video a like. I'm gonna enable this. Now let's listen to the reverb on our vocals and we're gonna control the amount. That's pretty simple guys. Next thing I'm going to do is to introduce the auto-tune. And guys, Auto-Tune Access is one of the best paid auto-tune plugin in the market. This is coming from Antares. Antares have not sponsored this video, but in my opinion, if you are looking for best paid auto-tune plugin, you can actually go for Auto-Tune Access. It comes with the routine speed and the humanized knobs. Alright, with the scale it comes with the major, minor and the chromatic scale only, and the key you can browse through here. The routine speed, all you need to do is to push it from slow to medium and to fast, and the same thing for the humanized, from off to minimum then to maximum. It's simple to use, simple to dial in. So if you are looking for best paid auto-tune plugin, you can actually go for this. So let's push the routine speed to medium. Listen to that on the ad lib. So that's Auto-Tune Access for you. Let's push the routine speed to fast and listen. And anytime we auto-tune our vocals, we mostly sound like robots. So in order for you to add realism to our vocals, we need to humanize it a little bit. So let's add a little bit humanize to the vocals. So without auto-tune access, listen. And with auto-tune access, listen once again. If you want to sound natural, just put the routine speed to medium and the humanized knob to medium. And you can actually turn off any key that you don't like and even add keys that you want. Alright, super simple with auto-tune access. That's crazy guys. Now guys, I want you to watch the next video to know the next best paid auto-tune plugin in the market that you can actually use to take your mixing to the next level. Until then, give the video a like. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.